Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a logo slider to Framer. So let's go step by step. For the best look, your logo should be consistent. So we will use SVG files for perfect clarity or WebP for small file sizes. Then make them all one color, all white or all gray to look professional. So let me just put, for example, one SVG file right here. Let's say this milk will be our logo. Now I can adjust the color here if I want it, something like that. Let's go with this one. It doesn't matter in this regard. Ensure they are all roughly the same height, usually 40px to 60. And then what we need to do next. So we will drag all the all the logo to canvas, and then select. Okay, so let's do like that. That we have them more. Oh, come on. Where it is now? Control C, V. All right. Now select all of them. Shift and select all like that. And then if you are on Mac, press CMD plus enter, or if you have Windows, Control enter, like that, to put them into a stack. Now you can select here basically whatever you like, so you can also adjust the gap between them. So we can select gap right here if I want it, or we can add like that. Then padding, we can add some padding to the top and bottom of the stack so they aren't touching the edges. Now open the insert panel. Right here on the left side, insert at the top left, click insert or press I on the keyboard. Search for the ticker and drag it onto your page like that. Now drag your logo stack inside the ticker. So as you can see here, so what we need to do now, I need to separate a little bit. Insert ticker, I will put it right here, and now I can drag this into here. Select the ticker and your Canva. Look at the properties panel on the right, and then we have here some other options. So as a direction, then speed, fade, pause, and hover. So as you can see here, direction, position. Then we can adjust some fade and so on. Now on the desktop, breakpoint, set the ticker width to fill. So we have fill here. We can add here the color to that fill, and then switch to the font breakpoint. Yeah, and that's pretty much it what you can do to create logo slider. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the